Hi, this is Friendly and Moonwalker. Our video content today is about our trees. First, I will introduce to you our mango trees.
Hi guys, bali after 34 years, we are here still going steady, no? Still going stronger, pero kami na lang dalawa sa asawa ko dahil yung mga anak namin nag-asawa na rin, nagpunta sa ibang lugar. So ito yung this is our life now, no? Nagtanim kami ng mango, integrated fruit trees, no? May mango, may durian, may langka, lansones. So,
Avocado.
i-tour ko kayo. So, ito na yung mango.
This is our jackfruit trees. Marami masyado guys, hanggang doon sa taas, paibaba. Ayan pa ayan
Itong
sa
dalawang
baba.
ito, this is already due for harvest. Maybe 2 days from now or 3 days from now.
Una dito. Maliit pa yan guys, pero ayan on.
Ito, may
May
bunga na.
bunga na siya.
Oh. We planted this 3 years ago.